Welcome to the step-by-step guide on making your own creamy, nutty ice cream at home. This recipe is perfect for anyone who loves indulging in homemade desserts. Let's dive into the process and create a delicious treat that you can enjoy anytime. In a stainless steel pot, pour 1 cup of full-fat milk. Add 1/4 cup of sugar powder and 1/4 cup of milk powder. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Whisk everything together thoroughly to combine all ingredients. Place the pot over medium heat. Continue whisking constantly as the mixture heats up. The mixture will begin to thicken. Keep stirring to avoid lumps or burning. Once it reaches a thick, custard-like consistency, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. In a separate bowl, pour 1/4 cup of hot milk. Add 1/2 teaspoon of saffron strands. Stir gently to allow the saffron to infuse its vibrant color and aromatic flavor into the milk. Set this aside to steep while you move on to the next step. Roast the nuts. In a dry pan over medium heat, add 1/2 cup each of chopped pistachios, almonds, and cashews. Stir occasionally to ensure even roasting. Once the nuts turn golden brown and fragrant, remove them from the heat and set them aside to cool. Add Khoya. While the nuts are cooling, mix in 1/2 cup of Khoya, dried milk solids. This will add richness and depth to your ice cream. Whip the cream. Pour 2 cups of Tropholite whipped topping cream into a clean glass bowl. Using a Philips electric mixer, beat the cream until it forms stiff peaks. Be careful not to over-whip, as it can become grainy. Of condensed milk. After adding the condensed milk, whip it once with a whipping machine. Once everything is mixed, fold in the saffron-infused milk. Gently fold the cooled saffron-infused milk into the whipped cream, taking care not to deflate it. Add the nut and Khoya mixture. Carefully incorporate the roasted nut and Khoya mixture into the ice cream base. Use a spatula to gently mix everything together, ensuring the nuts are evenly distributed throughout the ice cream base. Final touches. Sprinkle in a few more saffron strands for extra flavor and visual appeal. Mix everything one last time to ensure all ingredients are well integrated. With condensed milk. After adding the condensed milk, transfer to a container. Transfer the mixture to a rectangular container lined with plastic wrap to prevent sticking. Seal the container tightly. Freeze. Place the container in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Ensure it freezes solidly before proceeding. Scoop and portion. Once the ice cream is fully frozen, use an ice cream scoop to portion it into small paper cups. Garnish. Top each serving with a sprinkle of roasted nuts and a drizzle of saffron-infused syrup for an extra burst of flavor. Optional condensed milk. If desired, add a splash of condensed milk for extra sweetness and creaminess. Enjoy your creation. Serve immediately. Serve the ice cream immediately and savor the creamy, nutty goodness you've crafted from scratch. Store remaining ice cream. For any leftover ice cream, transfer it back to the freezer-safe container and store it for future enjoyment.